Welcome back, freshmen. Today we're going to be going over the Manager app and a PDF that we like to call the concept map, which will give you kind of an idea of how you're going to log into your textbooks and have everything mapped out for you. So with the Manager app, we're going to go ahead and take a search for it. So to do a search, you're just going to pull down from the middle of the screen, and we're going to go ahead and type in Manager. And as you can see, that's going to be our top hit. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to open it. And you're going to see that you have multiple tabs over on the left-hand side here. The two that we're going to focus on today are going to be the My Apps and My Books. We're going to start with My Apps. Like I said, this is going to act as the app store for your selection here. If there is an app that you need or want to request, you can email us at ticket@cghsfl.org. Do remember that we do not allow any games or social media on those school-owned devices. The nice thing is here you can search for an app that you want. Your teachers are going to tell you if there's a particular app that you're going to need. Please do not go through and install all of these apps, as you may not need them, and that will start taking up space on your iPad, and you do have limited storage on your iPad. So just make sure you download the apps you're going to need, and you can always delete these apps and reinstall them right from this place as well too. So just make sure that you're not going through and clicking every application, because you're not going to need them. So one app I know that a teacher wanted me to review and take a look at here, and I noticed that it wasn't on my iPad, is going to be the Clips app. So what we're going to do is go click install, and you're going to see that this command was sent to your device. So now it's going to be installing on my computer, on my iPad. And as you can see down here in the corner, there's my Clips application. And you can click on it and see now that it opens. We're going to close that out, and we're going to come back to our Manager app. And like I said, if we swipe back, I can actually remove this device or remove this application. I'm going to delete. And you can go right back to the Manager app and hit reinstall. And it may take it a minute or two to send to the device, but you'll see that it is now loading, and that's going to install for us. And if it does take a couple minutes, that it's fine. That is just the system working. Make sure that you're not doing 5, 6, 7 installs at the same time. Just do one app at a time. As that is loading, we're going to go ahead and go back to the Manager app, and we're going to go down to My Books. It may take a few seconds for things to load, which is just fine. You're going to have to be a little patient there. And here we're going to have either PDFs that are available to download, like the Student Parent Handbook. You guys will be able to download that. We'll also have the bell schedule available for you. And we're also going to have this PDF. It's called Concept Map, and it'll be retitled as 2023-2024. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. But you're also, in some of your classes, you're going to have access to your textbooks right through this Manager. So once we install this, it'll once again tell you that the command was sent to the device. That is going to go over to iBooks. And we're going to take a quick search here for books. It is no longer called iBooks, but it is called Books now. And we're going to click on that. And you're going to see that it takes us right into the Books application. You'll want to pay attention to in your library. You'll have a chance to look at everything that's in your library, or if you want to just look at the books or PDFs. So here we're going to go with the PDFs, and we're going to go ahead and open up the concept map. And really the concept map just lays out how to log in to your different textbooks. We do them by their publisher, but if they do have an application or an app, we do put it onto the side. We'll give the name of the application, and we'll also give you what classes that you'll use that application for. Along with those, if there is a website that goes along with the application, because there'll be some of the textbooks that you'll be able to get through the application, and then there are going to be some that are web-based. But we will also include the website if it's web-based in here, so they are clickable links. And then we're also going to show you your username and your password. If you do not want to refer back to this, make sure that you are putting your username and password in your notes. I would recommend doing both, keeping this on file and making notes on your passwords. So as you can see, we've got different classes here that use the different applications. We're also going to have here in the top corner, it'll show your Plus Portals login, as that's where you'll get your assignments and also your grades. So one thing to note, I know you're seeing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. That number just represents your student number. Please do not try to log into these applications or these websites trying to use the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That, like I said, is just a sample, and we do have that written over here as well. Please make sure if you do change any passwords that you are taking note of that, because some of these we will not be able to assist. We will have to reach out to the publisher in order to correct those. And that is a basic overview of the concept map. Like I said, you'll want to keep this on file, have it handy with you, especially the first couple weeks, but also want to make a note of your own username and password, so that way getting into the textbooks will be that much quicker and feel that much easier at the beginning of the school year here. Once again, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at techticket@cghsfl.org, or come to the Tech Center. We are open from 7 to 4 every day. Look forward to seeing you in the fall. Have a great day.